Earth is splitting by the Popocatépetl volcano, and that is something real happening now in Mexico. And everywhere that we have volcano, such things are seen. Volcanic eruptions are created when the earth actually has formed some cracks on the surface. And these cracks lead as a conduit, work as a conduit, as a way, as a pathway for the magma to rise and become lava. Eruptions happen like that, creating ash clouds, which eventually will lead to the atmosphere. But what they do in the ground is important. They create fault line, fractures. These fractures change the course of the water. The water that was somewhere will be directed to somewhere else. And the reason is that we see that suddenly water appearing in a ground that previously there was no water. And it washes down huge areas of the earth and then creates cavities. When you see somewhere the water is disappearing in your house, a puddle or something, after a while it disappears, be a little bit curious. There may be something forming under your house, not a volcano, but you know that it can create subsidence. The water is disappearing, is probably a sinkhole forming. Volcanoes create such things. They are on the cracks. The cracks lead to the eruption, and the eruption and the seismic activity, earthquakes, create more cracks. And these cracks work as a pathway for water, and a liquid can flow through those cracks, the weak points in the earth. And when this happens, somewhere that there is water may not be normally leading to somewhere else, but because of the crack, this water will be guided to a new place, and we will have some water somewhere else, and water will disappear from other places. This is also happening. Somewhere that you had a spring, the spring suddenly dries, or the waterfall disappears. We have such a thing in the Mexico.